yourself.
Amana bebe Wariogo.
Amao, Wariogo.
Amana bebe Wariogo.
Amata me do me we are.
Amana bebe Wariogo.
Edolile keniro wa keniri.
Amana bebe Wariogo.
Umane kere eire ni do tamu ba o.
Amana bebe Wariogo.
Oba eme won ko wa yo kun yo.
Amana bebe Wariogo.
Ewe na tere mana ma yan ori e buku.
Amana bebe Wariogo.
Amao, Wariogo.
Amana bebe Wariogo.
Owa boda yiko eko ifuna mayo.
Amana bebe Wariogo.
Umane na kede kan da para pa no bi o.
Amana bebe Wariogo.
Omona ora ata.
Amana bebe Wariogo.
Beni ira se toge na bi alele.
Amana bebe Wariogo.
Ete do gin kedere ona ari e kwa ya no.
Amana bebe Wariogo.
Ona ba to pe.
Amana bebe Wariogo.
Wariogo.
Amana bebe Wariogo.
Ona we ga do na yo e ga ere.
Amana bebe Wariogo.
Ona we do na isi na ra ya mu isi.
Amana bebe Wariogo.
E ya se na pa kona e ona we do
Amana
ona.
bebe Wariogo.
Ona we le gere na we gba do aro we ku.
Amana bebe Wariogo.
Ona o ba tele ra do de me ni ya se ri.
Amana bebe Wariogo.
E ya na gba yan le ma pe.
Amana bebe Wariogo.
E te yo unu na pe na.
Amana bebe Wariogo.
Atakpara pana bi so ma ye.
Amana bebe Wariogo.
Ona yo papa le ma bi.
Amana bebe Wariogo.
Ona ri baba uno ma.
Amana bebe Wariogo.
Ona ya su ye e se ki ya se o.
Amana bebe Wariogo.
E ke ya se ba bo na te ria o ri pare.
Amana bebe Wariogo.
Baba na o bere na o.
Amana bebe Wariogo.
O he ne we ga la ba ya bi e.
Amana bebe Wariogo.
Ni la wa atakpara pana bi bele ni ala wa.
Amana bebe Wariogo.
O ri e ga kere ni abi ene.
Amana bebe Wariogo.
Eri ya no ya tu ke ya gba pe fo me no ya wa.
Amana bebe Wariogo.
E atakpara pana re ya na bi o pa o.
Amana bebe Wariogo.
O ri apa ona mo lo pe awo ona bi o da wo kan.
Amana bebe Wariogo.
Ona mo ona bi o da mo ogwe.
Amana bebe Wariogo.
O saluta sine ki mami oni re pe o.
Amana bebe Wariogo.
Ma ye pe ya seri ore.
Amana bebe Wariogo.
Yes, brothers and sisters, this is Mega Comrade. If today is the first day you are watching this, you're watching me live, I need you to subscribe to all the link below this video. Subscribe to our channel, and if you have not liked our page, go ahead and like our page. As you understand, Mega Comrade is the most authentic anti-corruption political activist in the globe today. Authentic, the most sincere man in the globe, 98% honest. It used to be 5%. My wife say I don't talk everything finish for public, so it's now reduced to 90. Now it's now increased to 98% honest. The 2% I use it to protect my informant, my movement members, my loved ones, and those. It's just, for example, you ask me, where OC Conflict they do? I say, OC Conflict they bed with hotel. They bed with your wife or hotel. Maybe OC Conflict they house. Example, I they use my own son. They make example. Andrew. So we are waiting for our Andrew grandmother died a couple of weeks ago. So the burial is going to be great. And not only that, we are celebrating Andrew's mother because she died at the age of 100+ years. Celebration of So that aside, before we go there, I want everyone to share this video. If you are watching me for the first time, you can notice that there is a birthday over there. you will notice that there's a birthday, and that birthday is no other than Mega Comrade son, my lovely son. I want everyone to go there. Help me wish him the best, what you will wish for your children. Help me wish him what you will wish for your family. Wish him everything you wish for your good children. So that is it on that one. But however, I am trying to upload this video. It's really taking forever. I hope I can do it right now. So I want you to go ahead and share this video. This video today is going to save a lot of life. And I want you to go and invite Tony Kabaka Adu. And I want you to invite Governor Godwin Obaseki. Invite the great Bavo, Honorable Sagbavo you are. Invite all of them. Invite Tegba. There's new slogan. New slogan that I brought today. New slogan. 4 plus 4 Egba. Obaseki 4 plus 4 Egba. Versus when they go print their own slogan, today I will officially give it to them. They will come and compensate me. 4 plus 4 Egba. That is the new slogan. Then slogan for Obaseki people, 4 plus 4 talk back. Where you will put your cap, you see right hand. 4 plus 4 Egba. As they say 4 plus 4, then you go to write 4 plus 4 Egba. So that one day everybody have right to choose who he want to support, who is not going to support. I am not in the cage for nobody. If Governor Obaseki do good thing, I will come out and say, hey, whoa, Obaseki don't do good thing. No, I will come out, I will talk him. If he do bad thing, I will come and say, hey, Obaseki don't do bad thing. That is democracy for you. The God of America. I'm protected by the God of America. The miraculous Red Bible. Area. My people, today not today. If you have not cooked, please quickly just go and cook for your husband. If you have not taken a shower, rush, because it's going to be a long broadcast. So just rush. If you are people that drink beer, I want you to just go ahead right now. Get some beer. Just put it there and enjoy. Monte, so whatever you drink, just go ahead and do it, because today is going to be great. Really, really great. Fortunately, I've been trying to download this video. It's not letting me. So I'm going to do it one more time. So help me wish my lovely son happy birthday. You can go there and just tap it and say happy birthday. Happy birthday to the king of Iranomigo family. So today is his birthday. You can see Iranomigo have a good gene. Like all of them look like my grandmother. Me and my my grandmother is so large skin. So hot, sexy. My grandmother, as old as she is, you can see her skin still the glitter, all glitter. So her blood they inside me. So when I go Margaret and baka, you go see my children. They just come out. Say, why you don't be all the children where they born? They do their handsome. I went to a traveling agency some days ago. When I get there, they said, oh. They said, you know one thing we like about Mega Comrade? They said, no. They said, Nigerians, they know how to lie to their woman. They know how to lie to a lot of people. Mega Comrade, in the presence of his wife, they will come to traveling agency here. He will say it. Honey, this girl, I like her. I'm going to marry her to add her to the family. And his wife, he don't lie. So the people, he said, look at his children. You see the other one, the military one, the real tall one. He said, when he come here, everybody. He said, my dad asked me to come here. They said, who are you? I said, Mega Comrade son. Wow. So I have a good blood. So if you want to have a good looking, not too dark, chocolate, hot chocolate, come to Mega Comrade. Ikayo area. My people. Today, not today. We're going to have fun today. I have my Bible here today. God asked me to bring this Bible. I want you to invite Tony Kabaka, invite Iramomo. Iramomo, they will do wa. Iramomo, I'm so happy when I see people have children. I can't hide it. Even though that About yima esu to be him, but abelo wa biera ekoya wa rene. That is me. Open my heart, you will see it. Era baba de do kwa era baba wa biola la were bia he kayo we he say he born he say his wife he marry wife talking 1 year only pegbe 9 months it I married my wife. As I married my wife, 5 months later, now he drop. Bah. He did 4 months. You know why I will marry. Bah. 5 months. Nobody can beat me. And I will drop a tie. I tell my wife yesterday, I say, hey, you don't see, I tell you. You say you newly born, make I not near you. See now, time they go. Now you say, honey, I'm ready now. I say, kataka. Kataka. Even 1 year. I say, Boku, wait. I want the other one to be delivered either October or September. So I go just wait. January, I'll do Iwa Kayo. Ipoy. Ili ta iri ya mate ta o mase. Very Jesus. Anybody that is looking for children who are here with a good mind, may God let you have one in Jesus' name. Tap payment for that one. If you are a barren and you are watching Mega Comedy every day with good heart, God will transform your womb to become fertilized. Children, no go habali. Carry your Bible. Wait. No, they go all these fake pastors. See your Bible. Carry your Bible. Your faith is in your heart. Your heart is your faith. Look at how Mega Comedy is going up. You don't know it. I'm blessed. I'm blessed. Every day I am more happy. Now I don't, I don't answer much call like, hey, you may Friday. No more for me. Salomon de Friday. Ekelo won la. Why seno? Na favor for na. Ekelo won la. Iga luwiri ki awale le la. Iga weru wejometi wale le la of Egbe Freddy no more. Sabo aju obo. Thank you for supporting my brokers. Today is the first day of the week of the month, and today is my son's birthday. So we need flowers. We need gift. We need it. So we need it. I am happy. Very excited. I remember this time 20-something years ago. When I carried my baby, I look at him. I was the first person that carried live band to celebrate naming ceremony. A live band, the one more. Okay, let's leave that aside. So, to shorten the whole story, I am excited. If you want to have a good-looking child, pray to God for Mega Comedy to anoint you. How many of you go tap him? More than not insult anybody here. Today is a joyful day, except you are a bad head. I beg. More than not insult anybody here today. I'm begging you. I beg. No insult. We want to save life. We want to be happy today. And we have a lot of breaking news. If, please... Comrade Tony Kabaka, whenever I call and come here, let me know. But if you day here, not just the watch, make you tap say you day here, so that make you know, because we get that video when you say I did here just the watch and I will save you today. I will still save you. I have saved you before, and I will do it again, even though you are bad. I saved my enemy. You don't even know what is happening. I will save you today. So it's better for you to stay long so that we hear what nobody have heard. Now inside crocodile general. Now they discuss last night. This morning I they compost stamp. Me I hear this morning. But I say I will wait. So block now again right now. What is it? Okay, so I think some people are just being problematic. They don't want peace in anything. Now that everybody is happy, we are trying to make Edo great. Some people don't just like it. Who is this person again that is coming here to be creating problem? This is not good. We are trying to make everybody happy. Here you are, you want to create problem. Destiny gave me the name completely. So give me the name so that it will be gone immediately, please. Just give me a name. But it's not here, and I can't see the name again. So it's not here, so that we don't want to block anybody, but if you come here to constitute nuisance, you're going to be gone. Okay? It's going to be gone. Anytime you come, just let me know, so that we can root him out of here. It's better because they are not ready to make peace with anybody. Okay. Okay, so that being said, thank you, brothers and sisters. Andrew Omofoma. Andrew, oh, okay, no. Andrew Omofoma, wait. I want Abba to hear how Mega Comrade is going to save him today. Because God asked me, I want you to share this video. God asked me to save him. And I will say it, and I pray. Like I told him, after he has a baby, if he ever come out and insult anybody, now calamity will go follow and you're not going to believe him. So he has to change. Once you have a child, you change. If not for anybody, for his own child. That aside. Okay, let's go straight to the point. Area, my people. Breaking news. What Mega Comrade have been saying for the past 2 years to 3 years have finally come to light. Edo State Road have become so bad. Jabrata. Edo State Road become unbearable, even unmotorable. Even to the extent Governor Godwin Obaseki went ahead and buy big boss, armor boss. He buy am, they go at mama. You now remember, say accident happened that time. You know, when some of boys when first go there, when they get accident, people die. So that road come bad. Governor Obaseki can say, the road too bad for him. You know, go 50 some again. Money not there. The money when not there, he can't begin the use am. Today's date is Friday, November 1st, 2019. Breaking news: Edo State Road are so bad. Even Governor Godwin Obaseki now traveling with helicopter. Obaseki helicopter. How many of you believe me? That Governor Obaseki, no, he is traveling with helicopter. The first governor of Edo State traveling with helicopter. Do you know how much it take to travel with helicopter? You and I, we dey follow the bad road. Obaseki dey air. Area, when I never see the video. 4 plus 4, Ogba. 4 plus 4, Egba. 4 plus 4, Egba. 4 plus 4, Ogba. Let's see how many people there here. Make we see 4 plus 4, Egba. If you are 4 plus 4, Egba, tap am, make we see. If you are 4 plus 4, Ogba, tap am, make we see. Governor Obaseki is now traveling with helicopter. Oh, damn man, we. AGP ni atele. Oh, why say 4 plus 0? I don't even know. Erueva, I hear you now. 4 plus 0 equals to 4. 4 plus 4, Egba. Onirewa. That is new slogan. Today, I brought that slogan out. Egba. Egba. That is EGB. What? A. Egba. Okay. Let me check the results. No say now we saw referee then they call me. What were we referee? 4 plus 4 Egba. 4 plus what with me talk about Egba. You know we go. You want money 4 plus 4 can Tony. We might be with me Egba or Ogba. Me. We now we what? Shut up. Illiterate. You not go school. Where you not feel right? See on Facebook. Okay, man, you wouldn't. Nigeria don't spoil. Even to write common, you not go complete. Reduce English writer. See there? Okay. That being said, we're gonna share them. So we're gonna share this video. Breaking news. Edo State roads are so bad, even Governor Obaseki convoy cannot take it. Now he has resort to Obaseki helicopter governor. Echo helicopter governor. Obaseki, where is Syria? Governor Obaseki, how you when he say he study, go school? Common sense, you don't go use them. You go carry Edo State money, go rent helicopter. You go call people, make them they come like say Jesus they come. The helicopter almost cut their hand. Or it be one kill all those people. See as a helicopter, you know, even a ho or simple your vice president, you know what the helicopter do to run. Bro, you not fear, you carry children, picking people, children when they suffer. Suffer, they bring. If you make them tell you as picking hard. To take care of child, go ask your own son Abatobaze. He go tell you how difficult it is to born one child. Not take my word for it. But you carry on. You say you want 4+4. You begin come down for helicopter. Whoever advised you that advice, he deserves to be fired. That is the worst. You are just showing us what you are. 4 years now you don't use helicopter. What about the rest 4 years? Not be play to Awuchi, play to Uromi. How many of us can enter play? Those take off now. Now helicopter I can't use, they travel. Helicopter. I not get hand for that one. You never see go carry those children from sub-Sahara Africa. You they take helicopter, they travel. Election they come. Money when you say not they. We want to be what I mean? It been wet here. Me ma ve nute. Anyway, na ya fi go yekpo we. Ri wata se. Now wow. Okay. Mega Comrade have some question for Comrade Tony Kabaka. I do today. I have a question for Tony. So I want everybody to watch. I need you all to call Tony. Call and say, Tony, Mega Comrade say get question. He say the question is just a common question. So I don't want you people to be scared. But that question is very, very important. Thank you. 4 plus 4 egba. 4 plus 4 egba. 4 plus 4 egba. Obaseki egba. Monya, the architect of Tompito Master. Me, ye wafye. Ibu obi. Waroto. A political career wawu. Monteve one. I've been on the weekend since convention. Before he go convention, Obaseki don't lose hope. There people, they tell me say they don't tire. They know say Obaseki not even. But after I can't come down, slow down, I can't rise. But you can't forget where everything begin the good. 4 plus 4 egba. 4 plus 4 egba. 4 plus 4 egba. Abi area. Anywhere that we go. Hey, my people. Let's go. Let's go there. Okay. Mega Comrade have question for Comrade Tony Kabaka Adu today. 4 plus 4 egba. 4 plus 4 egba Obaseki plus. Listen. 4 plus 4 egba. Obaseki 4 plus 4 togba. Versus Obaseki 4 plus 4 egba. That is another 3 slogan. Obaseki 4 plus 4. They don't get the others of 4 plus 4 people. They're not smart rich. When I go right on, I just the right 4 plus 4. Who is the 4 plus 4? It can be Ranomigo. It can be anybody. Right hand, Obaseki 4 plus 4 togba. So there, the other people go right hand, Obaseki 4 plus 4 egba. Or 4 plus 0 egba. Thank you. 4 plus 4 egba. Egba. Egba okwalikota. Egba egba. Egba manimi ogwe manata with the poor. If we not approve, I not go complete. Versus 4 plus 4 egba and Obaseki crocodiles. New name. Governor Godwin Obaseki crocodile. His squad generals. Governor Godwin Obaseki crocodile. Hit squad generals. How about to eat one of their own. That is the breaking news. Underline. Wada omokba na tamo menwa se ko ri. Wa tiare. Wa ka na me tie. You know nobody should lose their life in Benin. That is what I stand for this election. No life should be lost because of this election. So if I hear anything that will save people's life, I will just blow up. Obaseki crocodiles generals, they are about to eat one of their own. They are surprised. They'll be watching me and say, how mega they know about Obase? If you are watching, pack your bag and begin to head to Republic Democratic of Congo. But if you do wicked people, why would that be? I say 4 + 4 crocodile general. They are about to eat one of their own. Not be Oshomule people. Crocodile general. About Obase team, the general we now call and say they be general. And I mean name the crocodiles. Because now only crocodile they chop their own children. They are about to eat crocodile children. I prophesied for Abba the other day. I say if Governor Obaseki lose, now Republic of Benin he go live his last life. Or Republic Democratic of Congo, where Benin people know they go. Because it will get enemy for everywhere. It will spoil people life. Come on. So your people, your own people that you insult, it is easy when you are insulting a mega comrade, then they clap for you. When you are insulting Oshomule, they will be clapping for you. But you about come made mistake. I tell you, I not advise you. I gave you opinion. I say make you stop drinking. You don't stop. Even when I say you can't drink. Even that day safe when you insult them, Bella say you never drink. And they don't take it lightly. A meeting had been held from Governor Godwin Obaseki, Togba, hit squad, crocodile, his squad, generals. They are ready to torpedo you. We now roving here. You say now they send you message. They send the message when you are bad. When they tell you make you go talk, you go talk. I just want help Edo people. Because not be everything person with the social media they talk. And the video when you take talk and say, you don't go Adamali Oshomule house. Now, however, your eye not see him. Say now, waiting they tell you. Now you can't. They say you go can't tell them. You go tell Inspector General Police. The people where he can't tell you say now so they do for Oshomule house. And at that video you take insult me and my wife. Make you remember. So as I'm speaking right now, Abat is not loose guarding. He just born. Make you not say crocodile. They don't care whether you really born or you not really born. The general when him himself called them. They are on his trail. They are praying. Pray. They want to pray on him. So Abat, go and get your Congo visa. Congo, Republic Democratic of Congo or Rwanda. Why are you visiting Rwanda? Rwanda, Congo. Your own people. Brokasan, 100%. Evenita is true. People go shock, say, why you can't save about again? Your own, this money, somewhere even around your area. Your own people, crocodile. They say, now there. Now you want to put for trouble. Then you want to put them for trouble. Now you go talk say na general. Now they say good. Who named the general? And now you constantly say that they spoil your name. Who spoil your name? Who can't tell you say that they spoil your name? They say now they go Abuja. Now only you not go Abuja. Now they smooth things. Now you they spoil them. They say the damage when they do to governor. They say it's too much. They cannot take it anymore. And they tell you now about it. So you go lay down today. Why dig away? If you bow, do Iranomi wa talk pay. Iranomi wa talk pay. Mami son mi adelewe. Where Iranomi son? Son mi adelewe na. Where Iranomi wa talk pay. You go dey pray for me about it. You say, long live mega comrade. Long live Iranomi go. They no dey come wait. Son wa make Iranomi so wa ti wo yin. Ami no ma la me. But okeke. We are Republic Democratic of Congo, Rwanda. When you go there, Rwanda, or Congo, because Europe cancel run, America, Canada cancel run, anywhere you dey, I go just fly, go there, go call immigration. Hold on. Hello? Hello? Yeah, hurry up, what's up? I'm on live, what's up? No, hurry up. It's not on speaker, hold on. Hold on. Hello? What do you say? Go ahead now. No worry, not be our hand, no worry, I know. Not be we, not make them they kill themselves, but make us save a life, because you nearly born now. Lao, na me sort pass Lao, I beg, Lao, Walao, we da bien na Walao, ko. It too more make wait, more na give on time. He don't do another one today again. Wait, make I finish. May I finish? I beg. Make I finish. I beg. Una know say I be father of all. Whether it bad or good or na me. So now is how God create me. I don't know why. I beg. Be patient. I beg. Sorry. Thank you. Now the year now people they verse with me. They verse. Why I go come here, come lick her. Make I let her meet her. But me, now so God they create me. If you have not heard, Governor Godwin Obaseki, they say the most problematic supporter, they call his stomach infrastructure. Die hard Obaseki is for himself. They say create problem for Obaseki more than anybody. They say nah bad. So Obaseki crocodile generals, they want to take him out of Obaseki ring. They don't want him there. So they don't want him there. The whole meeting yesterday, security meeting. Tony Kabaka, make you still call me. I get information for your own, not be for yourself. Then one go strike. If you know, say I will just talk in public now. We don't want war for Edo. What Governor Obaseki is about to do, we don't like it. Governor, you know, say Governor Obaseki, you know, say these people they sell Morocco since. Why you not fight them since? Why be say now? Hey, when I don't wait, they'll say, how make a community hear this one? Why it can't be say now? Because say Tony Kabaka bring the boys come airport yesterday, they come out, he don't want trouble. Oshomule fly from Abuja to Benin. He never reached 3 hours. Now he fly back with the private jet. You now, you come in the morning with private jet. Deputy governor come in the afternoon, private jet. All this money are road money, infrastructure money. Una just is poor Edo State money. Anyhow, private jet. Because the road you people, Nigeria, Edo people, I don't know. Make una open an eye. These people don't upgrade. Jeep not even fee enter the road when they destroy for Nigeria. Now Nigeria have more private jet than the whole entire Italy, entire Spain and France. Make Nigerians wake up. Politicians don't destroy Nigeria. Even the road safe. Nabogedi waiting they call and convert, not fit follow the road. Obaseki now, he don't upgrade from private jet, he carry helicopter, they charter helicopter every time. Private jet. Deputy governor come with private jet too. Yesterday. Obaseki come with private jet in the morning. Say yesterday. You know say Obaseki, he come in the morning because he say Yawa go gas for airport. Luckily for Oshomule come. You know say Oshomule not the fear. Show people, make you not fight with them. You know the fear. If fly come, make you come see what will happen. Oshomule not can't do anything. He just come. I need whatever. When you there on top, you go to fight trouble. As if fly to Benin, that one I fed that money, it not concern us. If fly to Benin, Oshomule not spend 4 hours, 3 hours. Now he fly back. Why go? Or man, you do me na Raw, authentic information. No filter. No filter. Now the way they happen, the way my informer, when they inform me, I'm a whistleblower, I go blow on. Oh, pure. Facebook, YouTube, share this video. So, I am watching. Let me finish what I'm reading. God bless America, sweet home, sweet home. God bless America, sweet home, sweet home. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, my lovely son. Happy birthday to you. So, that is it. I'm very happy and I'm excited. Okay. Please, if today is the first day you are watching.
Hello? Hey, I'm here to count your glass, your broken glass.
Oh, you're going to put it?
I'm not putting it in today.
Okay.
But I'm getting a count so I can order it.
Good. You can go through here.
Okay.
Yeah. Take your time. I'm on live video, but it's all right.
Okay, good deal.
Yeah, take your time, brother.
Good deal.
Mm-hmm. So, you see how we do it? It's good, huh?
That's pretty awesome,
You see?
actually.
Yeah, I'm an activist. Anti-corruption activist.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's very cool.
Thank you. God bless you, brother.
Yeah,
take your time.
I approve, man. I like it.
Yeah, thank you. I appreciate it. So, see, it's a beautiful day. God has sent someone to look at my broken windows. So, they are coming to fix everything. So, the Lord is good. So, you got to appreciate God. You see, this miraculous red Bible is very powerful. It's always with me. If you have no Bible, go and get one. If you are watching right now, put your faith on God Almighty. Nothing God cannot do.
Amen.
Yeah, thank you, sir. So that is it. And then you see this flag behind me. I always tell you people, I say, if not America, I will be nobody. That's why I keep singing it. God bless America, sweet home, sweet home. A lot of people insult me. I don't care. I will die in this country. Who want to go to shit hole? No way. So, brothers and sisters, let's go to the next chapter. God bless you, brother.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
I'm going to count these out here and then I'll...
No problem. Take your time. And the other bedroom there, too. Yeah. God bless you, sir. Thank you. Yeah, shut it up for me if you don't mind.
Carry on, my friend.
God bless you, brother. So, brothers and sisters, today is a beautiful day. Akataka. All right. There is a video that they want to send Abba to Ezra because of this video. I don't want to play the video because when you look at the video, it's more powerful. But there's a place that they are very angry about. I will play it so that Abba will know where he made a mistake. Not everything that enter your mouth. You know we Abba talk about my family. Many that one petition won't go right around that one. In your now federal petition because we know now say in power, now state, and in people they don't they pursue one. You know if you go Abuja anyhow now, no go area waro, no go area or I won't governor leader here. So no, and what Abba did to his people is not good. We have to call a spade a spade. And if you carry sword for head, not to draw water follow on. That is just a suggestion. I not they advise anybody. So, hold on. Wait, let me see what this guy is writing here. Bad for review. What is that? Man, I don't read anything when I did right. So, man, just focus on what I'm doing. So, if you want me to... Oh, God, I'm missing an important call. God bless you, Peter Samson. God bless you. You can see Iranomigo when they say make them pursue for Benin. Iranomigo when they say they go fight. Iranomigo say when they go do this because I'm the only person that is speaking the truth. Even the governor people, then they talk and say Iranomigo they talk true. Iranomigo, he know they lie on anybody. They say Abba lie on them. He lie on them. How are you helping governor? You will create problem for governor. How are you helping governor? And you are not doing it for free. Eh? So that is on it. Let us go and make a call Tony Kabaka first. Moku first iron this issue of cap. My people, make a call, huh? Yes or no? Moku call Comrade Tony Kabaka, yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? There's this person that always call me on a private call whenever I'm online. I know the answer. I make una help me lay course on this person. Mona lay course on this person that's calling on private. Mona course on. Mona lay course on. I don't care anywhere it come from. Mona lay course on. So that is on that one. Let's see how we can call. Do we call? Okay, let's call him. Let's see. Hopefully we answer. What? Oh God! Oh, I made a mistake. So let's see. Hopefully he will answer. Let's call Tony Kabaka Adu. Hopefully we answer. If he's watching here. No, private now. We're wounded. Ariave we really agmo. Well, maybe we phone away. Our any private. Now you can't make people may not carry anything. Let's see. We are laughing. We are laughing.
My brother.
Hey, laughing, yeah. The great Tony Kabaka. Hey, laughing, yeah. Oh, why, yes, he said. Anyway. Oh, you have your papa. I want to.
3 minus 4 minus 0.
Equals to
0. 4 plus 0.
Egba. He said, Egba. He said, my so he made time when I want you to print.
Government normally attack on my diet. I
you there are more people when bring your basket. Erula, I beg. One more, Tony. One more. Uruwa waye. It dey your neck.
Babi mamwere, madam. My one on the matter with
Anyway, I make a first tell you this. I have a new slogan. I want you to tell Oshomole, make Oshomole do 4 plus 4 egba, 4 plus 0 egba, eva, 4 plus 4 egba. Then as they go home, as they go. Okay.
They need not the go meeting on one word they are.
Now here and now people want now they say me speak English. Okay, he said Benin not the go meeting, but now one word they their mind.
Now one word they their mind.
Now the year now.
There's no good development here. We have to, when you are happy that your government is on board, you should have seen the development, even though you are not inside the government. But when you are seeing the development, you're supposed to appreciate.
Okay.
So we are not seeing that. Those are the major problems we are having here.
Okay, now that you are on air, I send you a WhatsApp message. There's one of your boys. I'm not going to reveal the detail. One of your boys, they are planning to strike. They want to strike him.
Strike me?
No, your boy. Yeah. They say wait.
They hear you.
I hear say, and last night when they finished the meeting today, I can't hear them. They say the guy they sell marijuana, they sell Morocco. So they want to video it, they want to go there. The guy know the vehicle when the guy they drive, everything. Later, if I come out online, I will call you, I will give you the whole detail. So we know one the first time when they say people go there, they say many people injured. You know what now they talk. So
listen. We not that but when they do that one, except maybe they get level, but they cannot even try any of our boys.
okay.
If they try yeah. That's the way they want to try. No, you don't be mugu now. If they let work. Oh, the only people where we be respect.
About
police, SSS. Say civilian like one thing, it can't try, nobody's above the law. We know what to do.
Okay, all right. So, you know, me now, they save everybody. I don't want no life should be lost in Edo State anymore. So, because when you are
everywhere is peaceful, if you look at yesterday when we went to go and receive our national chairman.
Correct. Tell us about it.
Promote trouble, but our national chairman just came in and enter his car. We didn't even spend 1 second.
That's true. I
So
heard
he moved. So because the man, you know, someone is very fast in doing things. So we were on ground with them. They didn't make noise. After we left, they now started making noise.
I hear that.
We were inside the airport with them. We were wearing 4+4 talk bar. We were wearing 4
plus 0.
4 minus 0.
Helicopter.
You know they don't threaten you when they say they want to destroy your house. You got the fear, they do this. My brother, if they fear now, say they want to destroy my house. If another government come, not be the same thing wants to do. You will say if we threaten and say we want to destroy your house, you go come join us.
That's true.
It's not so that they play politics. So if we continue like that, we cannot end it. So if we want to do anything, make it do one. We don't see all those things. You know what I'm saying? I think the 30 person tomorrow they mobilize. Where they want to go? Who they mobilize compared to us? They not will find out going home. I tell you, when they mobilize. You want to press your house. When the person don't call you, so your whole house, man, but I made that bullet. No, that will not be happen. The only people who go see act, where everybody requires, it could be soldier, police, or a security agency. Not they say one individual civilian, they want to go out of SCR. If they beat one, we go find out, we go, That's not the time I return election, not the do or die.
Correct.
Not the fight, they say they do one.
Correct.
You talk your own, I talk my own.
Correct.
But when you call result out to fight, you start down, the thing goes straight like catapult.
Hey.
They're not the time now.
Wow.
Politics, what the gain of politics is this side attraction. This one talking, this one talking, this one sing this one, this one sing this one. Those are the side attraction in politics. I don't know if you understand.
Yeah, I'm listening.
In Nigeria, opposition is the target. In a civilized country, opposition help government to grow with their challenge.
That's true.
But in Nigeria, opposition must die.
That's
So all those things we must put full stop. Yes.
Amen. We.
God bless my brother.
Oui,
Thank you for your contribution.
No problem.
Thank you for your support for the poor.
Yes, no problem. We are together. Yeah, no problem.
One love.
Off we pay Baba. Call.
Go out to one love. Yes.
Baba, you say. So my people, you have heard from Comrade Tony Kabaka Adu. He no want trouble. He no want trouble. Anybody when anywhere where I enter, please go enter. He no want trouble. You know say me, I know the fight. I did no I did not person. He no want trouble. As he tell me say he no want trouble. He tell me say oh no not here now. La regwen wa doyo. Ya wa doyo no arriva bo. Dofo imo worry na e down we na ga ati e wa arriva. So Tony Kabaka, he no want trouble. He want peace. And anybody that want peace, I will work with them. People that want trouble, I don't want. I know they fight anybody. So you hear and it is true. Today they fear they want to destroy house. Another government will come tomorrow and go say, they want to destroy. So if you want to destroy, make it anything we want to make it do. But If God willing, me only one vow, I don't vow. If Obaseki destroy innocent people's house, when I become governor, now in house I'll take start. Now see this shirt now. See a Edegbe vision. In all right 2020 puto. Edegbe vision is the only hope for the poor. Anywhere Edegbe go, I go. You not see here. When I not see here. Now we waiting people don't know. We get 2020, we get 2024, we get 2028, we get 2032. I tell you now, say I get 10 years. 10 years. When I see shit, when you see you don't see 2020. If I bring it back now, you know go see I'm there. I get brain. I smart way. Any but like Bobby's were a place when they destroy. State will compensate him one day. They will compensate him. When state want to destroy your home, they're supposed to compensate you. So if you want to destroy people because of political reason, you want to because that person not support you. Tony Kabaka will be the last person to support Obaseki this time because if you do, and credibility don't finish. It not go work again. No way for Tony to support Governor Obaseki now. He go support tortoise egui. No wawe na wa ye na egui. Better. Oh, I support egui. Na wa ye ho. So that is not a winning strategy. God bless you. God bless you. Kenneth, God bless you. Thank you for supporting our brokers. Tony Kabaka, he know the ego talk in mind. He go talk. He go tell you as he be. That's it. Today now, God forbid now, something happened to Tony. We're not saying about Obaseki head people day. Now he hand he go there now. I will he go no Obaseki you made a big mistake. A big bubble. Yeah. Oh yeah, no nene ye unuru Allah. I get video when Obaseki approached the Tony Kabaka during the election. I get the video here. When he take the promise heaven ahead. Anyway, me now from the poor, now for the poor. Anything that will make Governor Obaseki to come back. Me I not get hand because nothing. He never helped the poor. See Sub-Sahara, West Africa, when they rent helicopter, they go use a private jet. If they use deputy, they use 2 of them. You must go and check how much is private jet. $50,000. $50,000 one day, $100,000. Bah. How many million is that? That is 36 million. Only 36 million one day. 36 million only one day. Okbane. So how a 4 plus 4 can you buy? 4 plus 4 egba. Maybe you buy your. Or ya via ma Libya. Or ya via me Cotonou. Or ya via. Mo via kwewa. Yo boy ate ya une. Oni kame. Mo ya uhoa. Na me Obaseki want to punish. If you go pap people, you not go pap people. I don't beg them. Tire. Now so then they promise day and day. You go money no day. Even let me give credit to chief of staff. You know the I give credit to you, and I give credit to Ram. Osagbo where you are. When I pick up phone yesterday, I call. I say, listen, this thing, the chief of staff was very angry with his staff. Very angry. Well, I've told you people to do this thing. Why are you waiting for me for? Whether on stage you, I don't know. So at the watch, we could see whether on stage. Because I let her know, those people stranded in Sub-Sahara Africa, they have nothing to lose. They are already at the bottom. He that is down already is not afraid of falling. I want Governor Obaseki to remember that. He that is down, he that is already in the bottom, he or she that is down, that have already fall, is not afraid of falling again. That is it. That is it. And some European boys, all these social free boys, they go come here, they call for but even see Kevin for New York. Now so people call that corner. Why they call the True Eranomigo show? Now see that video one go delete. Video when you make. About threatening now, as about get picking, still the threatening person. Now so you go do this, now so you go do that. Now in family, they call me. I beg, and Kevin and my son. Make it not come be say, me I know about very well. He they threaten them, saying now so you go do this, now so you go do that, now so you go do this. Person when you sit down, they look another person nyash. Other people they look your own. Now make me remove that video. I tell them, I will tell them in the public the reason why I remove one. I call my boy, I say remove that video. They say it's a policy we don't remove video. I say but this one, they have resort to threatening, say they go they go do this, they go do that. Make you leave this guy. Now see Kevin, they talk here again. No. Anybody will talk. Now so this court people, then they call each other. Not be the bad court people, not be the good one. They get good court, they get bad one. Unfortunately, I am the father of all. Okay. So now we are telling Oshomole to go and do another cap. 4 plus 4, Egba. 4 plus 0 equals to 4. 4 years in a one back up Bavary. About my team, we know one governor when they use a helicopter, they go everywhere. Wait, if nothing say a lie, they lie. My bring the helicopter come out. Wait. Few people think say we go what we save about, we are coming to talk about that one. What we save him. I don't want he just really born or what that be over here. What that be na our Africa ima ire wa miya go when I get go we can ake ko la kotonu. Maybe regret only you go maybe can I where you to go. Congo iri o yoyin or she Congo book to your move out yoyin only my coming. Bukiti. When I watch, this is Governor Godwin Obaseki coming. My Kelori Kelokede. When I watch. Let me look. Yeah, take your ball. When I see him, helicopter ya told you. But I was so faithful. They carry and go up Obaseki helicopter, road no good. See, they hear 4 plus 4. See, helicopter one cut their hand. They see razor. At the end of the day, na 500 naira, 1,000 naira, then they share for them. See them. See them. See them. See them. 4 plus 4 people. See the helicopter. Even pay. See it. Everywhere. See ya. With the arrival of the way can sleep. Why boss in Okwa? Now see that box? Armor box. Manuya, 1,000 naira. The best governor of the whole Nigeria. Imagine. We yamo, na yamo go see am. Watch. You hear that word? You say Obaseki is love. You can see people when go wait for Shaibu yesterday and Obaseki, they give the 300,000 naira. 300,000 naira. Wait, as they give the 300,000, about 600 people, they begin to fight for money. After the first, I ask them, say, wow, now they go, they say, pa, money no day, work no day. 500 naira. Now they want to kill themselves for all these people. 500 naira. Now, all this one when they see, wake and 4 plus 4, you know, some go call me, their truth go one crack. I'll say, how much? You go say, now 500 naira, they succeed. You say, if I go feed my children, you can't imagine. Nobody. All these are stage. Watch. Right, see that? See, you see the bread, you see the helicopter bread, it won't cut their hair. See as Governor Obaseki endangered the innocent children of Edo State. See there. The bread helicopter, 1,000 naira.
Baseki, AMG awamu, ose kabaka. Yagi kwa baseki, AMG awamu, yana filose tu. Omoge na mas.
This one I put on.
It's our area though.
Wait.
People will go.
Wait, may I first play this one? When I hear the Commissioner of Police. What the Commissioner of Police of Edo State said. This is why Obaseki people are.
Well, you say the national chairman alleged. I didn't hear that. And to the best of my knowledge, nobody attacked his house.
Okay.
Yesterday, if you are there, you see the level of security coverage we give him from his house to Oba's palace, from Oba Palace to airport when he left for Abuja. And let me use this medium to warn the troublemakers.
Okay.
Edo State is...
Listen to the CP again. After Oshomole make a complaint, the CP said nothing happened. Listen.
Well, you say the national chairman alleged. I didn't hear that. And to the best of my knowledge, nobody attacked his house. Yesterday, if you are there, you see the level of security coverage we give him from his house to Oba's palace, from Oba Palace to airport when he left for Abuja. And let me use this...
Okay. Let me play to you. I will not show the video because the video is horror when you show it. Let me play to you where Abat now contradict governor talk back side.
Ose kabaka, yagi kwa baseki, AMG awamu, yana filose tu. Omoge na mas. It's our area though. People will go protest for Adamu House.
Yeah.
Will go Adamu House, go protest to say no to Godfatherism, to say no to one man dictating the fate of Edo people. They wait for peaceful protest. For that, let me say, as they do the peaceful protest, they lose God. Because most of these people, they know the thing. You understand? The reason why make Adamu they complain and say the real key players, the men will act the thing for them, that they now come loyal to governor. People like us, we are Adamu men before now. For years we be Adamu men, but right now we don't tell us say, hey, you don't do your own 8 years. Come up for road. Make another person complete 8 years. If Obaseki you also do your 8 years now, come on, when I say, Shego, bye bye. This state no go for that reason. Governor go still face in your own business. Either as you go become president or vice president or maybe minister of finance, because the area be that. And you know we even try. You know we even try to control the next governor when they come. Now so Edo be. Other states need to copy from us. So Edo State, those were the vessel. Once you serve as governor, they don't tell you say back. They don't allow control. They don't allow Godfatherism. Also, when you gonna talk say, now so them Kabaka may already they all shoot them. They all roll. They all begin to push it. Now la. Hey, no. See, the men they act governor when they act Obaseki thing, they be generous. Yeah. When you say generous, man, people will go protest that day. We go protest.
You hear and say after CP talk and say nothing happen, he confirm and say people will go there, they be general, will be not known. Now why were auto general the verse wait?
Or for that place, they be generous. I would say generous, they be generous for the game. Many of them don't fair walk, they don't fair follow someone they wrong things. They don't follow someone they walk. Either as former this or former this, they don't follow Adamu road things. So also when you turn oh boo yeah, they just give you fake story. People go protest, they don't really protest come out, reach out, they snore. When other people go Adamuha, national, we heard that some people came to protest. We are there, Ogaga. Parame lawa fininia. If you watch that video where Adamu was addressing those people he referred to as infantry wing of APC. If you watch those video, go back and watch the video. You don't go see familiar face. They all be Lema, although Lema where Josiah affected they collect money for Ring Road. They all gather there for Ring Road. They say, why if you Lema, because once the people many, Adamu will bring the more the crowd, the more the money where Adamu will take demobilize. The last time, when the protest is so what they have snow. When are they? Before Adamu could address him. Oh, it's 2 years. When we Sunuyi, where me will love you. Where me the Boston will love you. Where me are some generals.
That is the problem. He even named their name. He named their name on evil thing. Code of conduct. He not get.
Take me now. Here that video. Here our president. Our president go quiet. Adamu will bring the more the crowd, the more the money where Adamu will take demobilize. The last time, when the protest is so what they have snow. When are they? Before Adamu could address him. Oh, it's 2 years. When we Sunuyi, where me will love you. Where me the Boston will love you. Where me are some generals. They are filming now. Here I love you. Here our president go quiet. Everyone is so all on a bill also.
You hear now? That means now Tony Kabaka they cry. There is another video when they confess say governor don't plan her. All this Agbero as you take drag the enter. If you be Tony friend, you be Tony brother. Why you not call Tony say governor don't plan oh? See what he do, Tony. See as you not tell her. No wonder when you know because you know say once you talk inside now wahala. So there's all this video. I get them. We'll finish this one.
Okay, don't be out the my answer that. So amigo, igbini yo bolu muna wa continue. So the matter is yesterday the governor was in Dangote's new refinery. So
Listen, Unayera. He said yesterday, governor did Dangote new refinery. So Dangote get refinery for Benin. That person quick correct and say, I say, okay, wait. I tell you at that time, say, Dangote, they come buy the old Benin. People don't believe me. Wait. Wait. Make a play out.
Everyone is so all on a bill also.
Now just watch video. Now just they share. Most of you people don't get sense. This boy go make video. Now just listen to that. Hey, wait. The real content of that video, as an investigator, I dey analyze and I dey pick the point. I will match am back. Go match am with what he said last time.
And I mean we are all this solar there and where we are solar here via Facebook via here. Okay, don't be out the my solar there. Okay. So amigo, igbini yo bolu muna wa continue. The truth of the matter is yesterday the governor was in Dangote's new refinery. So yes.
When I hear they say that they build refinery. Now I just take money that they build them more for Benin, but now Dangote get time. But they use it Dangote and Obaseki. And after Obaseki go come out, Dangote go do a Jabrata. When I see as lucky they lose money for Venezuela. That is why I love Oshomole. Oshomole all the money Oshomole carry. Ide Yamu. Most 60% of the money is there at those states. You not carry and go anywhere. Okay, wait. What that way? Enunciate.
Where me I will love you do? Where me the Boston will love you do? Where me are some generals? They are filming now. Here I love you do. Here our president go quiet. Everyone is so all on a bill also. ọmọdé gbọmọ bẹ sọ a ẹnna mi wíyà ọdí sọlá dẹ ẹnna wọ́n mi yà sọlá yà fìyà bẹ Facebook fìyà rẹ yà ẹ ok bí yà dó òbí yà ọdí mà yà sọlá dẹ à so ọ̀rọ̀ mi ko ìgbìnrin yóò bọ̀ wẹ̀ mu náà wà continue the truth of the matter is yesterday na governor was in Dangote's new refinery so yes the seaport
so that is two things. Dangote get refinery for Benin and he get seaport. Gele seaport is supposed to belong to Edo people. Dangote don't carry. Edo people now see am. Not be me talking more. Now about question about night talking. Iro momo.
Yesterday, last year, he was there with Dangote. He had discussing how to link that seaport to Gele. And that discussion no there. I have Tinubu ya me ya no pass kilo no win now. The revenue ya no Lagos they are like to because the Gele are swimming now. The revenue in Lagos so drop. Because if I need check bore, if I need Kedetare, and don't have transit states where connects many states. Wari Abuja Edo, Wari Delta Edo, Wari Tegbo Edo. So it's impossible that we now Lagos revenue would
but who get the seaport?
Drop by 60%. Here I am now. And
say how come they do clearing?
So we not pass again. I'm webe. O wa meyela. Abat, we catch you, we will shoot you. Abat, we know your house. Abat, this one. Makaya. Makaya le kabakate. We are mamu ya yewa. Ya le jebu mejo. Ya mamu uhu ya yewa. Me wakaya.
So the general, the crocodile general that are making mouth. Now so I want to do this. Now I want to do that. I don't hear now. So I don't hide on a head for hours. In the wait for now.
I let today. Make Kenya the county threatening. What shall do? The mama good at Bua. My station. How many men of my
you hear, huh? He say he not the go police station. If you try and say person go die for your family, that means another code they go keep person for your family. We get this video. We hold on.
Drop by 60%. Here I am now. And then I mean just we also we also we clearing the yard. So we not pass again. I'm webe. O wa meyela. I'm webe. Abat, we catch you, we will shoot you. Abat, we know your house. Abat, this one. Makaya le kabakate. We are mamu ya yewa. You le jebu mejo. We are mamu uhu ya yewa. Me wakaya. Okyo a elele today. Make Kenya the county threatening. Unu ya ye. What shall do? The mama good at Bua. My station. How many men of my station I complain where my station repressor is automatic. Also know where
repressor automatic. One if you try an aromatic, they go keep person for your family. That is clean confession.
It's called all daily. What you are home? Well, child. Obas ekito wa gba 8 years no. So, government ya favor don't favor wa o shomule. On a here favor wa. Who wa zebe. Your favor wa. Why team operate for 16 years? Possible. What
you hear, huh? He said they don't fail operate for 16 years. It's not possible. Who will they talk to? The person just know himself.
Get power move to another place. So I'm going to referee. Me am for anybody or you fake information.
Yeah.
I want you no level. If I don't favor wa o shomule. On a here favor wa. Who wa zebe. Your favor wa. Why team operate for 16 years? Possible. What get power move to another place. So I'm going to referee. I want anybody or you fake information. I want you no level. If I need a protest, here what protest. Here what protest is safe for 1 hour.
Here is the problem. If Adam Oshomole sell phone for Abuja, we can concern for Benin. That is the problem. Una go see where it create more problem. We make inside Obaseki Seko war they there now. Obaseki Seko for talk by for they get war inside with it there. because of Abad.
Protest, protest. So
this is the problem.
I spent the last.
This was the problem. This is what triggered the generals. Now this one I can't trigger them. More and listen. Very, very careful. More and listen.
It's the last 6 years of my life. 7 politicians from Oshomole to Obaseki. Oshomole no Humekiana, any male Oshomole, male and Obaseki. Wow. In one way, no Oshomole about Oshomole Buaris. Oshomole Buaris. So the Humekiana. In a way, when he made trust, Eme Kukwan.
At a lot of movement.
At a lot of movement. Elio Shomole, Bay here, Berry. 15. Mo gbẹ́yẹ Oshomole yẹ gbére ikú ni ayé Oshomole gbére ayáwó ni àjẹwà everybody make good one way I confided in them wey see my wife critical condition I can't leave her ẹ̀yẹ̀ náà wọlé ya gbọ́ the blood of her son ẹ̀gbọ́n àmì mẹ́rin ma ṣé ọmọ mi mọ ya pàtí ọyọ àti àbí ọyà jílẹ̀ làjà múnẹ́. Sabuja. The information was leaked to Amigo. Amigo na ye na go. Facebook. Ina get the video. Awele o sabu agbe wonwe. Mo no tayo atari.
Oro ni ma wa gwa lo.
Gbe wonwe. In my comment, close friends. God will bless all the people that prayed for me.
Amen. Let Mega come here.
God will bless all the people that stood by me.
Amen. Mega come here.
Yeah, we lay. Boko Haram.
Social media Boko Haram. Social media Bini Boko Haram. Mota we Boko Haram. What am you? Et que le problème là. Ọwọ́ kele na fi gbé egeto Oshomole ọwọ́ bare wa na that one problem come na big problem. He say when they go throw stone for Oshomole how he say he no dey there. Wait. E wahala lari. Na here problem na ikon jabrata. Wait make a move backward. Play.
Wọ́n lẹ́rìí.
Ye Boko Haram. Fi gbé ẹ̀jẹ̀ tó Oshomole ìmọ̀ọ́rẹ́ wa ihò èmi náà tọ́ màmí ẹ̀ report ẹ̀ma ní kí mo wọ́wẹ́ betray mi Abuja ọ̀rẹ́ yà ayé lórí ọ̀tàlẹ̀ tata kòtò ẹ̀ma ní kí mo hu.
He say na people wey send a message na they go Abuja go dey use their mouth dey talk a tata toto. Who be people wey dey talk a tata toto? Who go Abuja? Deputy governor. Where's my list? Abuja. Listen to what Mutari, Andy, Momodu, Erima talk by Isuni Yerike, now the Ebo Stone and the rest, now they go Abuja. Even Honorable Sagbavo, now they go Abuja. He said people wait there Abuja, including governor. He said, na union tell Tata Toto. He said, now they send a message, now waiting they tell her. He said, are we a serving and Philip Bayo Oshomole? That is clean confession. Now the people confess, say, they Abuja try to settle problem. You they Bini, they create more for them. Wait, Muja.
Egana fi gbé ẹ̀jẹ̀ tó Oshomole ìmọ̀ọ́rẹ́ wa ihò èmi náà tọ́ màmí ẹ̀ report.
Wana, he say, what did they tell and I report? You know, people when he send a message, now I constantly they crucify him for Abuja. Who are the people crucifying him in Abuja? That is, listen. Yeah, that way, that would be way.
Egana fi gbé ẹ̀jẹ̀ tó Oshomole ìmọ̀ọ́rẹ́ wa ihò èmi náà tọ́ màmí ẹ̀ report. Ẹ̀ma ní kí mo wọ́wẹ́ betray mi Abuja ọ̀rẹ́ yà ayé lórí ọ̀tàlẹ̀ tata kòtò ẹ̀ma ní kí mo hu ẹ̀ma ní wẹ́ tàbí ní ọ̀sábọ̀ lọ fi ẹgbọ́n bá sẹ̀.
Àwọn yàrá wẹ̀ tàbí yà eré ọ̀yà gbà Now so 4 years, 4 plus 4 go take come. Tavenya administration. Una hear am. No be me talk am more. He say now people when he send her, say talking like this, Tavenya. This is why Mega Comrade is preaching freedom. About himself, he not get freedom. He go enter social media, they go tell him, Tavenya talking like this, he go talking. Tavenya. They don't bother making all they stay long for video. They tell her if it's too much, 1 hour, babare. You can see her all in video. Now 10 minutes, 20 minutes, they don't. So this is the life we don't want to live. And those people don't want that life. Tavenya. We don't want that. So my plea, may I finish the video. May I finish just this one. Get the other one when I just do. That one I just did the point. I keep on there.
Èmi náà tọ́ màmí ẹ̀ report. Èmi ní kí mo wọ́n wẹ́ bìtẹ́ mi wà Abuja. Ọ̀rẹ́ yà ayé mi àtàlẹ̀ tọ́tàkùtù. Èmi ní kí mo hu. Èmi ní pé tàbí náà lọ sábọ̀ lọ fi ẹgbọ́n bá ṣẹ̀kẹ́ náà mùdí àmẹ́. Ọwọ́ bọ̀ lẹ́rẹ́ máa ẹ̀ ọmọ náà kí á mú ẹ̀ nílùú àwa calm down. Òbí náà yìí kọ́lé náà wẹ̀ náà kọ́lé iṣẹ́ iṣẹ́ wò wá náà ti gọ́vnọ̀ náà gbé mẹ́sẹ̀jì jọ náà congratulate rẹ̀. Yeah, what in there?
Wait, man, stop on. You remember when he say make Oshomole come down? When he do one video, he go put a Shanta Bande. Say Oshomole come down, Oshomole. Now, they are circle. Now they come. They say come down. He big stone where you throw to order. If that person right now you run, you come back. Now Obaseki. Now they come, they say come down. So my brother Albert, your people, your 4 plus 4 people. Then they verse. Wow. You just carry your Tony. Igweweva. Why you apolo to him? Wala wo. I make it John go the bed there. Carry your chalk already. Wala. If not, make it not come be saying Rwanda or Republic Democratic of Congo. Now you Congo born the second one, the third one, the fourth one. That is it. That is why I came out today. I said I go expose her. I yes say see waiting they want to. Yeah, where they want to throw you out of Edo State. They want to put you in the Ezra. Yeah, this band away from staying in Benin. So, and we that are in abroad here, we have a good life. On your case, there's no Europe for you. There's no America for you. Nowhere. Because you already indicted yourself in many ways. Not even the only place where you go survive now, Cotonou, Cotonou, Togo, Lomé, Republic Democratic of Congo, Rwanda. So that is it. My people, now that we have talked about their own, let's leave the other side, because he newly born, we could leave the other side. Like I said, he referee, when they call me, this one and him, I can't help you. But he go can't talk now say I dey fear and be, because as I dey help Tony that time, he say I dey fear am. So who go can't talk now say I dey fear about now make me come dey help about the leak plan when the Obaseki people get for am. Who go can't talk now? Me ama you know it. All with more man, help more man. Bro, no what tiri now, me go tiri now. I mean, no matter we born or you have even people when go Abuja, I have every way. Chief Osaro, he died there inside. He died inside. I'm not when people win this also. And Chief Osaro, he died. Is one of the people I respect in Benin. You can imagine that. Even Honorable Sagbo you are. He was among of the people when they insult. So now when they go Go dey right. See, I don't. I tell am that day, I say make it stop to the drink. Make it stop to the drink. Stay away from social media. You they watch Iranomigo, they take learn, but you know they do as Iranomigo they do. Iranomigo na straightforward person. So now many people don't hear and say Dangote get refinery for Benin. He get a seaport when they build. So they will do whatever it takes to. Now we know why they say Ogba, because if another party enter there, it go reveal everything. And don't forget the one where they call Edo University Yamo. Now many people get them. It reach 3 people when get them. Obaseki is among the people when get them. Not be Edo State on, but now Edo State money and they build them. So I reserve my comment until if Obaseki like, make it help people for Libya. If you not like, make it live on. If you like, make it help people for South Sahara Africa. If you not help, make it live on, because your children not there inside. But if to say we not born, our papa not born, you not go see children. When you go put on that helicopter, the helicopter Gayabo. That is it, my people. I don't tend to stay long here. So that is it. He will come out and spin. He don't walk tire. So the information I got is 100% accurate. So that is it. May the Lord Almighty bless everyone. And I love you people. Good night, everyone. God bless you.
People that prayed for me.
Yes, so.
God will bless all the people that stood by my beautiful wife. Yeah, Boko Haram. Egana afi pe eje to somole. Imarewa. Iho. Ebi na ta mama e report. E ma ni gi mo wo we betray me Abuja. Owe ya you do ya tata to e ma ni gi mo hu. E ma ni we ta we na no